We replaced our entire sales team with AI agents that prospect, follow up, and close deals 24/7. And our pipeline has never been fuller. I know that sounds wild, but hear me out. Clientforce AI runs up to 8 active AI sales agents simultaneously, each one targeting different offers, audiences, or goals. They find leads through Google Business Search, LinkedIn, and built-in lead discovery tools. Then they follow up automatically across email, SMS, WhatsApp, and calls, all from one place. No drop leads, no missed follow-ups, no manual dialing at 9 p.m. Our contacts, campaigns, and conversations live inside one unified inbox. Proposals go out personalized and on time. Meetings get booked without a single back and forth email. We went from chasing prospects to just showing up for the close. Over 100 agencies are already generating real revenue with this system. If you're still building your pipeline manually, you're leaving money on the table. Click the link and get started with Clientforce AI today.